How to resolve invalid username or email error during ChatGPT login. Let's get right into the video. Open any web browser and go to search bar and type ChatGPT login. Open the first link that appears on your screen. Now tap on Login. Sometimes when you tap on Continue with Google when you used your email address to sign up, you may end up to this page. Now you want to tap on Go Back and then tap on Login again. After you get to this page again, you want to type the correct email address and then tap on Continue. Next thing is that you need to enter correct password for your email to log in to ChatGPT. And if you do not know the password, simply tap on Forget Password and do the following activities required. As soon as you type your password, tap on Continue. After that, you'll be able to log in to ChatGPT. That is how you can resolve invalid username or email error during ChatGPT login. I really hope this video helps you out. Thank you so much for watching till the end.